Hi, I'm Connie. I'm the owner of Buy Without Agents. I help people like you buy a home on your own terms without the commissions, confusion, or pressure that you would receive from an agent. Today, we're breaking down two of the most important misunderstood parts of home buying process: inspections and appraisals. They sound similar and they happen close to the same time, but they serve very different purposes. And if you don't know how to handle those two processes, they can put a stop on the purchase of you buying your home. So let me guess. You found a home, you like it, and now somebody's telling you it's time to schedule an inspection. And then comes the appraisal that your lender actually needs to order. And you're thinking, well, what's the difference between the two? And believe me, that's totally normal not to understand. Most first-time homebuyers either confuse the two or don't know what to do when one of them turns up with a problem. So let's walk through exactly what each one is, who it's for, and what your options are if something unexpected comes up. Because this part is where the rubber hits the road. You either gain confidence or you lose money. First, the inspection. Now, this is something you're going to have to schedule and pay for because it's all about protecting your interest as the buyer of this new home. An inspector is going to check the roof, the foundation, the electrical, if there's any problems with the plumbing, the HVAC. They'll check windows, doors, water heaters, and a whole lot more. And their job is to uncover issues, some minor and some major, that you can't really see if you just do an initial walkthrough like at an open house. But here's the key. Everything needs to be in writing. And if you're buying on your own, you need to attend. The inspection, I mean. The inspector will provide you with a formal report, and it is so important for you to read and understand everything that they're talking about in that report. Once you have the report, you can renegotiate the price, ask the seller to fix certain things, or even walk away, as long as you are in, the window according to your purchase and sale agreement. Now, this report is extremely important as it lets you know what to expect in terms of the repairs or issues about the home that you're about to buy. The second thing is the appraisal. Now, this is ordered by your lender. You do not have to order an appraisal. The goal isn't to check the condition of the home, it's to confirm the value that you're actually paying for the home. An appraiser will compare the home you're buying to similar homes that have recently sold in the area. Based on that, they will give you a dollar value that the home that you're purchasing is worth. If the home appraises for less than your offer, that's a problem for your lender. They won't finance more than what the home is worth. So let me tell you what has to happen. You can either ask the seller to lower the price, or you can pay the difference out of your pocket, or you can just walk away, as long as you included that appraisal contingency in your purchase and sale agreement. Appraisals are necessary and they can absolutely impact your ability to close. So be sure and stay in touch with your lender. Also, ask your lender for a copy of your appraisal to keep for your records. So now let's talk about worst case scenarios. You get the inspection report and it's an absolute mess. There's cracks in the foundation, outdated electrical, and the roof leaks. I'm sorry, and the roof leaks. The appraisal comes in and it's way lower than what your offer price was, and the seller won't budge. What are you gonna do now? This is where contingencies in your purchase and sale agreement are so important. What you can do is either you can renegotiate, ask for repairs, or you can just simply walk away without losing your deposit as long as you're in the window that's outlined in the purchase and sale agreement. In my course, Your Home, Your Way, How to Buy Without Agents, I walk you through exactly how to respond in these situations, what to say, what's worth fixing, and when to move on. Because not every issue is a deal breaker, but not every issue should be ignored either. So let's recap real quick. Inspections are about the condition of your home that you are buying. You hire the inspector and it protects you. Appraisals are about the value and the lender hires the appraiser. It's about funding the loan and making sure you aren't paying more than what the home is worth. And if either one uncovers something serious, please don't stress out. The purchase and sale agreement gives you an out as long as you put the right contingencies in it. And if you still need a little bit of guidance, visit my website, buywithoutagents.com. Check out my full step-by-step e-course, Your Home, Your Way, How to Buy Without Agents. It includes a section on both inspections and appraisals, plus how to negotiate based on what you find. And while you're on my site, download my free open house tour checklist that'll help you spot any issues before making any kind of offer on a home that you found. And for a limited time only, there is a $200 discount code waiting in the video description below. Please check it out. If you found this video was helpful, be sure and give it a like, as it helps other independent buyers just like you find it too. And don't forget to subscribe for weekly videos to help you save money, stay in control, and buy on your own terms. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next week.